you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that post notification bell so you can know when I upload all of my videos. So I'm super excited for today's video, guys. This look is screaming colors and vibrancy and fun. I feel like that's just my personality, and it kind of just like manifested onto my eyes. So like, if you want to see the tutorial, just go that way. All right, guys, we're gonna jump right into the tutorial for this morning. Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna use every palette that I own, more or less, to do this look. So I did my eyebrows already. I also went in with my NYX Eyeshadow Proof It Primer. And it's a waterproof eyeshadow primer. Get this, if you don't have this, guys, you have to have this in your arsenal. It is amazing. And even James Charles says that his eyeshadows blend the best when you have a nice, really reliable eyeshadow primer more than concealer, right? So I did that. What I love about the looks that I create is that it has levels. If you want to stop at a certain point, you can just pop some eyeliner on, or no eyeliner, some lashes, and you'll be good to go. So I got this new awesome palette. It's called the Wahala palette by Juvia's. I am so in love with Juvia's palettes because they are so pigmented. It's insane. Check this out. I'm using a contoured fluffy brush. It has like a flat top. And I'm gonna go into Pride, and I'm gonna put that on my eyebrow bone. I'm gonna go into my Color Story Tropical Glow palette and use Guava in the inner corner of my eye. I just like to use the same brush, just clean it real quick and then use it all over again. So the next color I'm going into is in the Wahala palette. It's called Woke. I want to go in and deepen my crease some. You know, I have big eyes, so I don't want to leave it too bright or too light. I'm gonna go into the Tropical Glow palette in Orchid. You know what, I'm not showing James any love right now, so let me look in there. So I cannot find the list of the names, but I will edit it into the video. But it's the light green color in the James Charles palette. Now I'm gonna go into Love in the Wahala palette. I think I'm gonna go into the Warrior 3 palette and do with Candace in my Warrior 3 palette, because this is a bomb purple and I gotta use it. I'm sorry. Wahala forever. So now I'm gonna take a clean brush and kind of blend the two colors. Now I'm gonna actually blend these colors because I'm not doing any cut creases for today. It's gonna be all nice and flowy and blended. So I'm taking a clean crease brush. Now I'm gonna go into the Warrior 3 palette in Gola and then blend the blue and the green together. I got my trusty glitter stay by Hard Candy. What do y'all think? I think I'm gonna go with this one. So now you're gonna get your trusty eyelash glue and then you're gonna put a dot on the outer, or on the inner corners of your eyes. You guys should see my vanity when I do these looks. It's a hot mess. I got my diamonds here that I'm gonna put in here, my little rhinestones. And I'm gonna put that right there. All right, guys. So I think I am just going to go ahead, pop on my lashes, foundation. I like to do all of that first before I do the bottoms, because I've been doing the eyeshadow under my eye, like my lash line, my bottom lash line, and I've been doing that before foundation, and it's so hard because I have to actually do concealer and then foundation and make sure everything's cool and clean. So let me do all that and then come right back. So I just added my lashes, and also I just added a little bit of a shimmery, silvery, purpley eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. Make sure I have my gem. You know. I hope you guys like it. This came out so cute. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video all the way to the end. Drop a heart, any color you want. Drop like colors that you see from here, just to let me know that you watched my videos and you went all the way to the end. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.